Just imagine. Just look at what this infidel of a Fulani herdsman is doing to somebody's hard work. Honestly, this thing is getting out of hand. The menace of Fulani herdsmen in Southeast, it is getting too much. And people are now being attacked, not just in the farms, but even in the communities. You know, sometime last year, I made a video highlighting the problem of Fulani herdsmen in Southeast. And I can also see on social media that people are not really talking about this. But it's a big problem to us now. It's a big problem. I don't know what the Southeast governors are doing about Fulani herdsmen invasion of our land. Because these people have an agenda. I'm sounding a warning, these people have an agenda. We cannot always be victims. Because if you see what is going on, so many instances where they've arrested these Fulani herdsmen, once they get to the station, they will release them. Why do you even arrest them in the first place? Why don't you buy these people? Buy them and let them and let others learn a lesson. Just imagine what this one is doing to somebody's farm. I mean, whoever that has that farm spent millions of naira to invest whatever it is they did there. And you have a filthy, stinking Fulani herdsman from nowhere coming to rubbish your hard work. The other day, I saw a video of a Fulani herdsman that cut off the hand of a farmer because the farmer is asking them, why are you doing this on my farm? Honestly, this is a big problem. Because one thing I notice about we Christians and we Southerners, whether it's South, 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 East, Southwest of Nigeria, we the youth, we are not taking things seriously. This Fulani people, they have an agenda. They have an agenda to Islamize Nigeria, and they do that by taking away our land. So many IDP camps are all over Nigeria now, from Benue to Jos to different parts of the Middle Belt. Now they are coming to Southeast. And I've learned that even Hope Uzodinma of Imo State have wanted, I think they say he has given them a land to do their ranching. It is wrong. You want to do your ranching, go and do it in the north. They have a vast land in north. Why can't they convert that to arable farming land with technology? Anybody can farm anywhere, even in the desert. You go to Dubai. Dubai is an arid land, but now they turned that arid land into a fertile land. They can do anything on Dubai desert with advanced technology. Honestly, this is so annoying to me, and it is very, very worrisome. And I will like you guys, so please help me to share this video. Let it get to the table of the governor of Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, Southeast governors especially. You have to help our farmers. People cannot wake up and are afraid to go to their farm. People don't feel protected. Why then are you the chief security officer if you cannot be able to protect the people? And people need to start arming themselves. Let there be vigilantes. What's his name? Anambra State governor. He said that the problem of Anambra State is traditional people that do your kite for criminals and kidnappers and the rest of them. The main problem we have is not this traditional Dibia people. The main problem we have in Southeast is Fulani herdsmen. So you need to know that Soludo. You need to know that Pitamba. The main problem we have is Fulani herdsmen, and you people need to sit up and set up a vigilante to go out into the bushes of Southeast and fish these people out. They cannot be having a free day in our place, roaming about, shooting people. Man. The other day, this a content creator called the Governor Ezioku, the guy went to his land somewhere in, I don't know, maybe in Imo State or whatever, and they shot at him. The guy was just lucky to have escaped with his life. It's not funny. This is a serious matter, and something needs to be done about Fulani herdsmen and their evil agenda in Southeast.
Ngobala road. The Fulani herdsmen. Ika kwa kebe gene Enugu ya mufu. Ebe the Fulani herdsmen hare pucho mwanyi ne Enugu he wore oshishi mwaga hani haje pronwai. Ika hocha these videos here. Ika hocha these videos here. You know? So these things are getting out of hand. But the truth is that the Fulani herdsmen cannot pursue us out of our land. They cannot. They will try, but they cannot do shit. And And I keep saying it. I keep praising this alarm. That the only thing that we can do to ensure the safety of our people is for the use of each community to raise up a voluntary vigilante to guide their forests. Some communities some are not here, some channel until in that but we want to assure the Fulani herdsmen that they will fail. We will defeat them in our land. The gods of the land will not allow them, a strange god and a strange land, a strange people, to come into Igbo land to defeat us.
The worst one about here, Buru passengers, but you more here. My name is one of our today, being 7th of March. Can name a life in Obala. One the Herdsmen. He stroke Obala. He stroke Obala. All the home to see Owerri, Lagos, Onitsha. Everybody parked. All of them packed. No motor is coming, no motor is going. Thank you.
Yeah, I got a motor. I brought motor. The mother, since they feel the quarantine is quality. I brought motor. My airport. Aba, also had a save. Aba. Even driver with injury, chef. Aba driver, let's have bullet. Aba motor with auto. Actually, Kenya make an airport. Nambeda na Nabaleo. Aba motor so Uzo would rather save because onye na-agba ya ụmụkwara anya biko abra motor little blood abra achọrọ ikidnap the man abra ha agba ụzọ adịkwa safe
una ahụla ya kamera na nga ọkpala road o mehụ fa nga ọkpala bara road hia o ka kamera o tọrọcha ndị mmadụ tọrọcha the truth ọrụkwa maka m nwe na-ekwu ihe na-ekwu foto aga m na-ekwushi ike. But it's a shame that we have a government that doesn't care. Let me repeat it. It is a very big shame